Hello. Today I gonna show you how you can use your Apple or Android phone camera as your web camera. This will work for Windows or Mac. But before that, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. First we have to download the application on your computer or Mac. Open a browser and search for iReune.com. iReune supports both Windows and Mac. It will also support your Apple and Android phone. Just select the type of device you are using and then click to download. Right now, I'm using Windows. Click and it will automatically download. Open the file. You will be prompted with the license agreement. Read and select, I accept the agreement. Click Next. Then click Install and wait until it's done. Then click Finish. We now successfully downloaded iReune in our PC. As you can see, it says no phone available. We will now go to our mobile phone to download the app. If you are using Apple, go to App Store. I am using my Android, so I'll go to Play Store. Just type iReune and select the best match. Click on Install and wait for it to finish. Then click Open. Read. And then, click on Continue. The app will now open. Ask for permission to access some features on your phone. Just select Allow. Perfect. Your phone is now set up and waiting to be connected to your PC. You can change the camera orientation to portrait while waiting to be connected. Or change the back camera to front camera. Just tap on the tool icon on the right bottom corner. And there we have it. Your phone is now connected to your computer or Mac. This app works same as the web camera. You can use this on your meetings, presentations, online classes, and even on streaming. You may also change the resolution of the video on your computer on the drop-down selection. For YouTube quality you may select 1920 by 1080 pixels. And that's it. It is less than 5 minutes to set up your mobile camera as your web camera. I hope this video helped. If yes, please like and share to your friends. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.